Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video tutorial. A couple weeks ago I had made a fun pop-up card using the Reach for the Stars bundle and the suite. So I've been showing some different ways to use the designer paper with other stamp sets. So today, we're not using this stamp set. We are going to use the circle dies, and what I did is just cut out, not with the largest, I think it's the second largest, circle out of basic white. Then we're also going to use the Lazy Days bundle. I'm using this carpet. I wanted to make a flying carpet, so we're using the carpet stamp. And then I wanted some people to sit on my carpet. So I was looking for images where people are sitting. So we've got this one right here with the dad and the two kids fishing. We also have this stamp set with this lady who's just kind of looking out the window and she's sitting. So I'll show you what that looks like on both of those. So what we're gonna do is just start out with, we're going to stamp our rug, and I am using Blackberry Bliss. This is kind of my accent color for this card, and I'm just going to stamp this on some white, and we're gonna color it just with a blend marker or a blender pen. I'm not using any color, just the color that's already stamped on here. We're just gonna fill this in. Now, if you wanted to color it, you can, but look, I mean, just colors in so nicely. Just using the blending pen. I want to call it blender because of our blender markers, but it's a blending brush, not a blender pen. What is it? I'm getting so many tools, I can't remember the names of them all. Okay, we are just going to cut this out. Let me get this off this big paper here. This is nice and easy because it's straight lines. Okay. This card is a little different than what we might normally do, but I think sometimes it's fun just to get out different stamp sets and kind of, you know, play around with them together. That's a fun little challenge for you to try. Okay, so we've got that. Now, I'll show you my sample. This is the first one I made. So I did the father-daughter. We did a moon. I'm gonna show you how to create that. And they're just kind of, they're just floating in the night sky. So I thought on this one, we'd either do the father and son. So I just cut them out, cut the fishing poles off, cut the other child out, or you could do this one. So I've cut her out. And we'll just kind of look at what this looks like. And what I did a little bit was I kind of, you know, bent my little flying carpet. We're gonna pop it up. But we've got the father-son. Now we can't see their legs, so I put them kind of close to the top, so it looks like their legs are going over. Or you could put her up here. And, you know, she's contemplating whatever. And we can do the moon over here like our sample. We could put it over here. You know, we could put it right in the middle with their floating across. However you want to do it. All right, I think I'm going to do the father-son. So let's do a little bit of coloring. Their father-son, so we're gonna give them the same color hair. You know, I just have a hard time seeing to do my coloring with my glasses if I'm not too close, so hopefully this will be okay. So I'm just using, what number is this? It's number 300 in our colors, and I'm just using light petal pink for our skin tone here. Get those elbows. Okay, and we've got some of the boho blue. We'll do light for the little boy's jeans. And then we'll do dark for the dad's jeans. I'm not even going to worry about blending with these. I'm going to say that's jeans there. I don't know. Okay, for the dad shirt, we'll use Pool Party. I think we did that. This is Light Pool Party. I want to keep the colors fairly light so that they pop against the night sky here that we have going on. Okay, I'll just add a little extra here on the sides for shading. Okay, and for the little boy, let's do, what is this? Dark soft sea foam. We'll do a little green on his. A little shading there. Okay, cute. All right, now let's do our moon. So we are using the stamp set. I lied. We're using the Reach for the Stars stamp set. I'm going to use some gray granite, and it has this fun kind of bubble image, and we're going to use this on our moon. So I'm going to do 1 or 2 kind of coming off full strength, and then the rest I'm going to do partial strength. I'm actually just going to layer off. Make sure my whole area is covered. With something. Okay. I don't know if I'd even do that dark one there, but we're gonna let this go. Let's do some assembly and then we can decide where we want to put everything. All right, so I'm using Blackberry Bliss for my card base. And then we've got this on a piece of basic white, and they're cut about the same. I need to trim just a hair off of there. I don't want any white showing. Let's just grab our paper trimmer. Make sure we're at 5.5. Yeah, that's just slightly over 5.5. So sometimes the cardstock will be just slightly or over under, and then we just have to trim a little. Okay, adhesives. So I want a little Blackberry Bliss on the top and the bottom. Our color maybe over on the left a bit. Okay, we'll do our inside in just a second. So on my sample, I have done the moon over on the left. I'm going to try maybe putting my moon on I put it on the right. Let me put this on the left a little bit and see. We'll just try a little different placement. Maybe right about there. Maybe we'll put our people kind of going over the moon there. See, Dad's wearing the same clothes. Now he's taking his son out for a ride. Okay, dimensionals, which are somewhere around here. Okay, I'm gonna put one in the middle. And, oh, I'm almost out. Okay, put some on either side. And we'll pop them up. Just kind of one out, so let's grab a little bit of the edge here. Oh boy, we're gonna pop them up, but they're gonna actually be glued to the carpet. So I'm gonna put just a teeny bit of liquid glue right here on the bottom. Okay. Have them kind of sitting on the edge. and then popped up right there. So you can do it either way. And then, you know, we'd have her, she'd be up looking, I put the moon like her kind of in front of the moon. So she's looking at it, and move my carpet over a little bit. So you could do either way. All right, for the inside, I have from the Sentiment, this is the, once again, the Beside Me stamp set. It's got several sentiments, and I thought this one was really cute. It says, Beside Me All the Way. And I'm going to stamp this in black. Let's see if we can get this centered. Beside Me All the Way. And then, Thank You, Dad. So this could be for a lot of different occasions. It could be Father's Day, it could be birthday, it could be, you know, just thanking your dad if he helped you out with something, you know, lots of different things. And then let's just bring a little bit of color in here with the Blackberry Bliss. Do one up here, maybe one down over here. Oh, look, I got a shadow. What the heck? Don't you hate it when that happens? You think you're ready, and then you stamp, you push too hard, and you get a shadow. That's just nonsense. All right, let's try this one more time and not push so hard. We're gonna turn it gently. Now, if I'd been doing this in class, I probably would have just stamped another star on top of it. But since we have two sides, which is one of the great things about stamping, is you can flip it over and give yourself a second chance. Okay, cute. Beside Me, thank you all the, thanks, Dad. I think that's a sweet card. It may not be straight, but it looks okay. It's not straight. I'll fix it later. Anyway, so that it's a great card if for, you know, a daughter or a son, or if maybe you want to do both the kids. They will all fit on that magic carpet. So hope you enjoyed today's card. Little different, little quirky, but something just a little fun. All right, thanks everybody. Make sure to check back on Thursday at noon. We're doing our July card class using the Inked and Tiled suite, and we'll have an ordering special starting Thursday where you can earn or get the kit for free and earn some embellishments too. So check back on Thursday at noon, and I will see you all then. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.